Hi guys, how you doing? This is Q coming to you again with another video from diygenesis. And in today's tutorial, I really wanted to focus on our social media icons here. So how do we actually go about making the color changes, and how do we actually add the links to these social media icons? Well, let's dive into the back office and get started. All right, so here we are in the back office. So the next step you would take is you would go under Appearance, and then you would go under Widgets in this case. And under Widgets, you would go to Primary Sidebar, and you will see a section here called Social or Simple Social Icons. You would click on the down arrow, and that would open it up. Now you can see right away there is a color selector ability here, the icon color, and then the background hover color. So there's a lot of ability to change colors. But before we get into that, let's talk about how we can update for, say, Facebook. So if you didn't have these already set, you can use the pound to kind of get the icons to show up on the front page. But let's just take these out right now, and we'll just use some example ones that we can set up. And let's just say we have twitter.com/diygenesis, and let's say we have a facebook.com/diygenesis, and we'll do an email and we'll do one more, of course, YouTube, and we'll do youtube.com/diygenesis. All right, and then we'll hit save on that. And once we've done that, this will empower us. When we go back to the home page and we refresh, you'll see that we only have the icons that we have set up for email, for Facebook, for Twitter, and for YouTube. So now, how do we go about, say we want to brand these colors to be maybe this green here? So when we mouse over it, we get that green color instead of the black color that we're currently doing now. Well, we jump back in and we go right back to our section here in the widget section, and we go right up here at the top. Now you can see where it says background hover color. Well, background hover color, you can go here and you can see right away if you don't have the hex value, you can kind of choose right here to get you kind of in the ballpark of saying, okay, I like that green. Maybe I want to go a little darker. And then you say, okay, I think that's where I want to be. And then you select the color. And once you select that color, of course, you're going to need to hit save to make sure that your changes take effect. Then let's go back to the home page. We'll refresh it, and now those changes should be in effect. And as you can see, we have that green. Now here's another little neat trick that I like to use, and of course you guys seen me do this before, but if you really want it to perfectly match that color, we can go to our inspector tool and just kind of select this. And I know right now, because I have this set for a separate tab, I want to make it show under the bottom. You can see that hex value of that background color right here. Again, if you uncheck this, you can see that this is the color. So let's just grab that hex value out and we'll copy it, and we'll go right back into our widget section again. And just because we want to make it spot on perfect with what we want to have here, so we'll delete that one. We'll paste in the one we want, and we'll hit select color, and we'll save it. So this time perfectly matches our branding. We'll go in and refresh this page again, and boom, here we go. Perfectly matched. So guys, I hope this training was helpful. This tutorial was helpful for you. I hope you got a lot of value out of it. We're going to continue to crank out new videos all the time just to give you guys just updates on the Magazine Pro theme right now. I'm going to be doing other themes as well, but I at least wanted to get this one done and give you guys more content. Please comment below and let me know other videos that you do want to see, things that you really want to find out more about. and just let me know. And please make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time whenever we turn out new videos. All right, guys, and again, until next time, this is Q coming to you from DIY Genesis.